Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. Now, one of my subscribers recently asked me, have I ever watched Adventure Time? I'm familiar with Adventure Time, but the short answer is no. So I found the first couple episodes on the internet and I actually watched a few of them just to get the gist of the characters, and I thought I would do them in my selfie style. Now, selfie style is something that I haven't debuted on this channel before. I actually used to do these selfie portraits of pop culture characters and make it look like they either grabbed a camera and took a photo of each other, or they were caught in the act of doing something by someone else taking a photo. So I thought I would try that with Finn and Jake and see exactly what I could come up with. So let's get into Adventure Time.